Hey guys, here I am again, Claudio Texero from Ufly Simulator. This is a beautiful 737-800NG, next generation simulator, just the captain seat. Right now I'm on runway 15 left at Houston Airport. I've just been cleared to take off, so I'm gonna do so. Going on the throttles, give some power to the engines, then activate the toggle. So to keep it straight on the runway, I'm just using my feet for the rudders. We now have the speed alive. I'm gonna keep my 80 knots check. I'm gonna keep my hand on the throttle until we get V1.
V1.
All right, we're committed to fly.
Rotate.
Here we go. You're up.
V2.
Good flaps 5. Right there. Just gonna activate the speed. Just gonna keep it around 200. And that's a beautiful Toronto right there. Just gonna show the view, which we are using Air Canada, but we are not Air Canada simulator. And you can see how the 737 is very easy to be maneuvering. So I'm just gonna do the circuit, fly around, come back and land. I hope you guys have enjoyed that video. Thank you. Watch our videos on YouTube channel. Lots of videos there for you guys to watch and give your comments. We appreciate it. Take care.